Jessica, last night, Sophia said your performance was perfection, and she's never heard anything like that. Steve Ray, Holly said you do something we haven't heard, and your song is going to be #1. Only one of you is staying in the competition. America has voted. We've not taken the 3rd spot in the top 5 here.
Jessica! Jessica! Jessica!